Hi everyone, I'm Jerry James Stone, and today's recipe is this delicious appetizer. I'm gonna make a spinach dip. Now this isn't the hot spinach dip that has like the artichoke hearts that you have with the bread. This is just a regular chilled spinach dip made with Greek yogurt. Super tasty, very delicious, easy to make, and a great little dip if you need something to dip veggies in or chips or whatever. Anyway, let's get to it. To make this spinach dip, the first thing we're gonna start off with is some softened cream cheese. I'm gonna add in spinach. This is just frozen spinach that I thawed and pressed all the water out of. We have some Greek yogurt. Some diced water chestnuts. Some diced red pepper. And we're gonna add in some ranch dressing mix. And just mix that all together. Okay, let's transfer this to a bowl. Oh yeah, that looks pretty darn tasty. That's all it takes. Super easy, chilled spinach dip. Check it out, let me know what you think, try it, drop a comment below. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't before.